Welcome to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you want to up your trading game. Today I'll be talking about currency pairs and the best ways to trade them. Major pairs with USD, like Euro USD and GBP USD, have more liquidity, come from the world's strongest economies, and are always in the spotlight. For example, look at GBP USD from July to October 2023. They usually tend to show strong trends like this one. So, trading these pairs usually means higher predictability and plenty of economic events to trade on using technical and fundamental analysis. Now, on to crosses with major pairs like Euro GBP and Euro CHF. These often give many opportunities for sideways trading strategies as they often see a flat market. Of course, as stable as these pairs tend to be, they are still highly sensitive to economic indicators like unemployment, inflation, and GDP. Let me give you a practical tip. If one country's central bank is raising its interest rate while another one is holding or cutting, then the first currency will likely strengthen against the second one. For example, if the Bank of England is raising its rate and the Bank of Canada is cutting it, then GBP CAD will likely go up. Here is another one. The Japanese yen tends to strengthen against the American dollar closer to the end of the fiscal year in March, as Japanese companies repatriate foreign earnings to prepare for reporting. Now, if you're a fan of commodities, then you'll likely enjoy trading USD CAD and AUD CAD. As Canada's primary export is oil, growing oil prices may lead to CAD's strengthening. Now, let me show you something. This is a GBP USD 4-hour chart showing a strong spike on December 13, 2023. Why? On that day, the US Fed chair announced likely rate cuts in the future. As a result, USD weakened and GBP USD went up. So a long position opened before the announcement in anticipation of the rate cut confirmation would yield a handsome profit after the news release. I showed you all this just to highlight that staying informed is key to trading currency pairs. You will never run out of relevant news and good trading opportunities. Now, we've talked about the major currency pairs and we still have the exotic ones to cover. Let's leave that for another video. See you!